The day I died was an ordinary school. How I wish I had taken the bus. But I was too full for the bus. Imagine, Dave Bentalinaw will ride the bus. Fun stuff. I remember, I tweeted, I tweeted the car out of Mom. Special favor, I pleaded. Mom, please let me drive the car. I want to spread my wings and fly in the index, Mom. All the kids drive, I pleaded. When the 2:50 bell rang, but it rang at 4:30. When the 4:30 bell rang, I threw all my books in bags and even my lunchbox in the locker. I remember I was free until 8:40 tomorrow morning. I run at the parking lot, excited at the thought that I will drive my own car.
Vice ganda ikaw ba yan?
Being my own boss, free. Imagine, a car, free.
I love you, Dave.
It doesn't matter how the accident happened. Well, I don't want to talk about that because I don't want to. I was goofing off, going too fast, taking crazy chance. But I was enjoying my freedom and having fun. The last thing I remember was passing an old lady who seemed to be going so awfully. I heard, I heard the deafening crash, and I felt that feeling of having a terrible joy. Glasses and steel flew everywhere. It's like watching the commercial of Sarah Geronimo of the Los Angeles. The glasses were flew, and I felt a terrible joy. My whole body seemed to be turning inside out. It's like the frog was, in the science, biology, the frog that goes dissecting. It's like dissecting me, ma'am. I heard myself scream. Ah! But again, I heard myself scream. Ah! And again, I heard myself scream for the last time. Ah!
Okay.
Suddenly, I awakened, but very quiet. I thought I'm not dead because I thought I just left on the library of the Guidance Christian Academy. Well, that's life. You'll be born and you will die. The police, typographical error. The police officer was standing over me. Then I saw, in my two eyes, a doctor. My body was mangled, and I was saturated with blood, full of blood, specifically typho. Of the jagged glass were sticking all over me. Can you get it? Strange that I cannot feel anything. It's like the doctor injected me 100 grams of anesthesia.
Oh.
Well, but I bear it at all. I'm strong enough to bear 100 injections. I reach up to 90. And I told myself, but I'm talking to the man. The man can hear me. Hey, Jim! Don't put the head on my head. I'm not dead. I'm only 17, but I look like 15. I have a lot of things to do. I want to play Dota.
Oh.
Now you know. No. And I have a date tonight. I promised my girlfriend, Dugong. I'm supposed to grow up and have fun. And I want a wonderful life. I haven't feel it yet. But I'm dead. And I can't do this. Later. I was placed in a drawer. Refrigerator. My folks had to identify me. Why did they have to see me like this? Why do I have to look at mom's eyes when she faced the most terrible ordeal of her life? Does suddenly look like an old man, even if old. My dad told the man in charge and asked the man in charge, "Can you open the door?" Then the man in charge said, "Yes, I am." Then my dad looked at the door and said, "Oh, wait. It's not my son." And the man in charge said, "Hold on, sire. I will open the next door." And the man in charge opened the next door. My dad and look at the oh. It's my son.
Ah. Ah.
It's my son. Well, that's life. The funeral experience was a young experience. A weird experience. I saw all my relatives and friends, teachers, classmates, janitors, official of the school, and even my principal. Even one really
Ay.
They walked to the casket. They passed me one by one and looked at me with decided eyes and said, "Some of my buddies are crying. In fact, I saw JM, Akar, and Alex not crying. They're laughing."
Parang totoo.
A few of the girls touched my hand, typically Mang Arrow. And they coughed, and Mang Arrow coughed as they walked away. Please, somebody, wake me up! Open the alarm! Open the alarm clock! Somebody! I'm not dead! I'm not dead! I'm only 17! I can't bear to see my mom and dad so broken up. My grandparents are so racked with grief, they can hardly walk. They're like zombies. My brothers and sisters are like zombies, like Jabberwockies.
Matatagal na yung pangako.
Even I, Roland David, the Banawa, Kalina, I get to live that I'm dead. Because, in fact, I'm presenting now.
Yes.
Please, please,
Don't bury.
mali. Please, don't bury me. I'm not dead. I'm only 17. I have a lot of things. No, it's wrong.
I have a lot of
I have
living.
a lot of things to do.
I want
I want to sing, dance, play in the beach. Not with the bitch, in the beach.
Sorry.
Please don't put me in the ground. I'm not. It's like only Alex. I promise. If you give me one more chance, the feeling. Please, if you give me one more chance, I will be the most careful driver in the whole wide universe. Even Koke will not be as good as me. Please, God, if you give me one more chance. Give me one more chance. I'm only 7.